Alright, today I'm going to be checking out a new product I saw advertised on the YouTube channel Silver Symbol. He has a video on there about how to clean and detail your engine in 5 minutes using this product. Basically, you do this when your engine is at room temperature, and you take a plastic shopping bag like these and cover your alternator. Then you spray the entire engine with this P21S Total Auto Wash you can buy on Amazon and probably directly from them, I'm sure. And I think it was about $25 for this bottle, so hopefully it'll last a long time. And this is a 33.8 fluid ounce bottle, so it's got quite a bit in there, and they also sell it in a larger volume container. And then you basically just spray it, let it sit for 1 minute, and then lightly hose off, and you're done. And so I'm gonna try that right now. I'm gonna go get my hose ready. Okay, so I have my hose set on the shower setting, so it's gonna be a very gentle kind of spray, not a high pressure spray. Okay, so right now I'm going to use a leaf blower to blow off some of the excess water. I had to set my camera down to support the leaf blower with my other arm. This is just after the leaf blower. Looks real good in here. You can still see that it probably would have benefited from a light brush on some of the surfaces, but it does a pretty good job. I'm gonna just wipe it with a microfiber towel, like right here. It's just kind of dull, but I mean it's clean, so don't really. So if you want to do that, I think I'll just kind of do it with oil changes, just to kind of keep it from getting too bad. And like I say, if your engine was particularly dirty, you could probably get a soft bristle brush and just wipe some areas, but you can tell it does a pretty good job.